everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I have my brand new SnackNation box for the month of October. So I am still playing catch up on my videos. So also I have my woven t-shirt subscription. So I'm going to go ahead and open this since it's short and sweet, and we'll just combine the two. Now, before I open it, I just want to say, give a little shout out to Alex. Her YouTube channel is Life with Sugar. She sent me a Halloween card, which I just absolutely loved. And so she inspired me to do some Halloween decorating. So Alex and Sugar, because of you, I am getting in the Halloween spirit. For those of you who don't know her, definitely go check out her channel. She's a fabulous lady, and she has this dog, and her dog's name is Sugar. That's Life with Sugar. And this dog, hilarious. They get a subscription called Wolf Pack, and just go check out those videos when she unboxes the Wolf Pack with her dog Sugar. That dog is some serious, he is a star in the making. Like, Wolf Pack needs to hire that dog for a spokesman, because it is just hilarious to watch those videos. Okay, but thank you, Alex, for the card. It's very lovely. She dressed her dog up as a little ghost. I mean, how cute is that, right? Okay, so with that said, I have not opened this yet. I shouldn't show my address. I have not opened this yet, so let's go ahead and we're going to get straight into it. SnackNation is a subscription box. It's $5 a month. You only pay $1 for the box, and it's $4.99 or $3.99 shipping. So out the door, it's $5. But you have to fill out a survey at the end of the month and tell them what you think of the snacks. If you don't fill out the survey, though, they'll charge you $9.99. So definitely make sure you fill out the survey, and then you only pay $5 with shipping. Okay, so here's how it comes. We're going to get straight into the unboxing portion of this. And the first one out is Chimes. And this is called Ginger Chews. And you guys might just saw on my face how I laughed about that, because I just found out my daughter is having a baby. She's pregnant and she's having some morning sickness. So I think I'm going to pass this one on directly to her. This is Ginger Chews, and we all know ginger is supposed to help with a little upset stomach. So this is awesome. And the next item out is Shanty Bar, the superfood protein bar, salted nutty caramel coconut. Oh, yummy, yum. Snack on plant protein, not sugar. Awesome. What's it sweetened with? It is sweetened with organic coconut nectar. Nectar. How about nectar? Yeah, so that looks awesome. Ooh, we got some brownie brittle. That sounds all kinds of good. Chocolate chip brownie brittles. I'll probably pass that one on to my daughter too. She would love that right now. Oh, and we have some gluten-free chocolate chip granola. And this is from Jessica, and it's gluten-free. No trans fat, no cholesterol, no GMO. Made with certified gluten-free oats. And for this little pack, 260 calories. So that's not bad. I love granola. Granola is like one of my favorite snacks. And we have Made Good mixed berry granola bar. So, ooh, mixed berry granola. See, after the 3 months I've been doing this, I've been, you know, every time I fill out the survey, I give high marks to all the granola stuff because I love granola. And as you can see, it's paying off, because I got this granola, and I also got some, excuse me, some mixed berry granola. So yay. Okay, and we have one more item out, and this my husband I know will love. He loves dried fruits, and this is simply banana chips. So I'm sure he will love that. And here is the card. Like I said, rate your snacks and save. And you have to fill out your survey by the 25th of every month. That's why I'm hurrying up on this box. And then you will save $5. Now, I will leave the link if you're interested down below to sign up. Just click on the description box down below, and I'll have the link ready for you. Okay, so let's go over this real quick. We got the banana chips. We got the mixed berry granola bar. Yes. We got the Ginger Chews for my daughter. And also the brownie brittle, which I'll probably pass on to her too, because she loves chocolate. Well, actually, my son-in-law, he likes chocolate too. So, okay, I'll give her the ginger, and I'll give him the brownie brittle. And then we got the coconut caramel bar. Yes, I'll probably eat that one. And also the granola. So, you know, I'm gonna be all over the granola. So that is not a bad snack box for $5, right? So definitely use that link and go sign up. I mean, I'm having fun with this. All right, and the next one, this is for my husband. I get this for him every month. I love this little subscription. This is a TShirt subscription service. I didn't research it before I got on here, but I'm pretty sure it's $9.99 a month. I will leave all the information in the description box, and I also think I have a referral link that if you would like to try it, I don't remember the details of that either, but I will leave that all in the description box. So let's go ahead and open this. I love these t-shirts. He loves these t-shirts. I believe I have said before, he works in a warehouse, and that's his everyday clothes. And his warehouse is very dirty, so he goes through t-shirts, and these are very nice quality ones too. And they do have long sleeve ones, which I started checking into, but I haven't switched over yet. They charge a little bit more. I did notice that, and I'm not ready to pay for it, but we're heading into November, so I'm definitely going to have to switch over to the longer sleeve ones. Okay, but here's how it comes. I will give the information down at the bottom of the screen, the material blend. I forget off the top of my head, but it's a very nice, they don't shrink at all. I feel they run very true to size. This looks like maybe a navy, like a heathered navy. So this is the way it looks. He loves these t-shirts. He says, don't ever stop this. In his opinion, this is the best subscription box I get. In the snack box, he likes that one too. Okay, everyone. Also, speaking of Halloween, as many of you know, my new hobby is paint by number, and hopefully I'll have this ready soon. This is the one I'm working on right now, and I think if I get this done, that will go right behind me, and we will finish this little Halloween theme off. So you will be seeing this hopefully very soon in my background. So Alex, thank you for inspiring me. Sometimes I just forget this background's here, and I need to learn to, like, we got fall. After this, I will do fall and then some Christmas. So yeah, I'm going to start decorating this thing a little bit more. I leave it blank so often. I don't know why. Okay, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. I hope you have a great day. I'm all caught up with all my subscription boxes. Now I have a Stitch Fix box coming very soon, and hopefully I will have it out this weekend, Friday or Saturday. We'll see when I'm able to get it filmed. Okay, and have a lovely day, everyone. Bye-bye.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah.